Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Monday, April 27th. We've been seeing a little bit of rain out there this morning. Already recorded about 2/10 of an inch of rain at Wallops, and it does look like the rain has, for the most part, finished. Can't rule out seeing some isolated showers this afternoon, but right now looking unlikely. But we will continue to see cloudy skies throughout most of the day, as well as some chillier temperatures. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we do have this broad area of low pressure off of the northeast with some wraparound moisture on the backside of it, and that's helping to give us these showers and chillier temperatures today. Like I said, it does look like that rain is mostly done with, but can't rule out still seeing a slight chance of an isolated shower as we get a little bit of some upper level disturbances rotating on the backside of this low before it completely moves away as we go into this evening. Let's take a look at our radar this morning. There you can see that rain really diminishing across the region and still seeing some showers pop up well to the north of Salisbury, but otherwise, we are going to be seeing these showers pretty much be done here in the next half hour or so. Also taking a look at our satellite, we can see abundant cloudiness across the Delmarva this morning. Don't think that's going to really let up until we get into the mid to late afternoon hours, so expect to continue to see some cloudiness between about 2 to 4,000 feet for the next several hours. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, we are seeing north to northwesterly winds surface up through about 6,000 feet, running between about 10 to 20 knots, then seeing those winds shift more westerly across the remainder of the column, remaining fairly light around 20 knots between 9 and 20,000 feet, and then increasing only to 30 knots at the 25,000 foot level, seeing our freezing level this morning just above 6,000 feet. For today, we are going to be seeing cloudy skies continue once these rain showers end. We are going to be seeing a chilly high today of around 55 degrees, so that's running around 10 degrees below average for this time of year. Northwesterly winds are going to increase a bit late this morning into this afternoon. Could see a slight chance of a wind advisory or a brief wind gust to around 25 knots, mainly between noon and 6 p.m. And then we'll see those northwesterly winds weaken as we go throughout the evening hours, becoming 3 to 8 knots after midnight and into the mid-morning hours of Tuesday, expecting a low tomorrow morning of 44 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we are going to be seeing those low clouds, ceilings around 2,500 feet late this morning into the early afternoon hours. Then at 2 p.m., seeing those ceilings raise to between around 4 to 5,000 feet. And like I said earlier, still can't rule out a slight chance of an isolated shower through about 6 p.m., but right now that's looking rather unlikely. And we are going to be seeing just maybe perhaps a little bit of sunshine before sunset as those clouds start to break up around sunset, becoming a few at 2,500, scattered at 6,000, scattered at 25,000, and then seeing some more mid-level cloudiness increase throughout the overnight hours, becoming a few at 1,500, scattered broken cloud decks between 10 and 15,000 feet, and then a broken cirrus cloud deck at 25,000 feet. Seeing tides just about half foot above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Take a look at some model data here. We are going to be looking at our short-term model just to show you how these showers could possibly pop up this afternoon. There is that little bit of rain weakening across the area. This is the noon hour, and we'll see that the current area of showers pretty much dissipate by around 11. Then you can see this model starting to generate just a couple of pop-up showers here and there. Not really seeing too much support amongst other models with this, and they would be very, very spotty. So only running around a 15% chance of seeing any of that activity impact the Wallops area. As we move into this evening, we'll see that rain pretty much diminish as that low moves well to the east of the area and continues to weaken. Taking a look at our longer range here, going into tonight, we are going to be seeing some weak high pressure build in. That'll help to give us a little bit of a chillier low tomorrow down near 44 degrees. As we move into tomorrow afternoon, we are going to be seeing a warm front start to approach the area. That's going to give us another chance of some isolated shower activity, mainly late in the day Tuesday and into early Wednesday night. As we go into Wednesday, though, we're going to see some south to southwesterly winds start to ramp up across the area. That'll help to bump those temperatures up. It is going to be a little bit of a tricky high temperature on Wednesday for Wallops, as it's going to really depend on if those winds remain more southerly or a little more of a southwesterly component. So it's off the land versus off the water. If it is southerly, we are going to be seeing a little bit more of a cooler temperature as the winds come off of that cooler ocean water. As we move into Thursday, we are going to be seeing this front move across the area. So Wednesday evening, it is going to start to get a little bit breezy out there into Wednesday night as we see these south to southwesterly winds ramp up ahead of this front. This is Thursday morning. These Our models are having a little bit of a disagreement on the exact timing of this front, but they all definitely agree that we are going to be seeing some good rain at some point on Thursday and possibly some thunderstorms. This model does have that front impacting us late Thursday afternoon, which would give us a better chance to see some thunderstorm activity. However, models do look like models are showing, excuse me, that we are going to be seeing some abundant low clouds across the area for Thursday, which would impact the chance of some good instability developing for thunderstorms. But with a really good moisture and dynamics, we're definitely going to be seeing some chances of some heavier rain Thursday afternoon and into Thursday evening, as well as those chances of thunderstorms. As we go into Friday, we're going to see that front past the area, and then we'll see the upper level low start to move overhead, and that was going to give us some scattered showers throughout the day on Friday. We get some instability developing, could also see a chance of some isolated pop-up thunderstorms for Friday as well. And then as we go into the weekend, finally going to get some good high pressure starting to build across the southeast. That's going to really give us a nice, beautiful weekend with temperatures in the low 70s under partly cloudy skies. So let's take a look at our 7-day forecast overview. We are going to be looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies today with a 20% chance of some showers. And then for tomorrow, going to be seeing partly sunny skies. We are going to be seeing those chances of showers late as we get that warm front moving across the region with a high of 61 degrees. And then as we go into Tuesday night, we're going to see a much more milder low for Wednesday as we get that warm front moving across the area, only expecting a low down of 53, expecting a high of 71 Wednesday under mostly cloudy skies with breeziness increasing late in the day Wednesday. Thursday, expecting a very mild low as we're going to be well within the warm sector of the approaching front with a low of 60 degrees, expecting a high of 66 for Thursday, and with those showers of thunderstorms impacting the area in the afternoon and perhaps into the evening hours. Friday, like I said, that upper level low is going to be moving over the area with a high of 64, giving us another chance for some scattered pop-up showers in the afternoon, possibly even a thunderstorm as well if we can get enough instability developing. And then looking at a very beautiful weekend as high pressure takes over with partly cloudy skies and temperatures in the low 70s. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.